Alemlube's diesel fuel pods, as designed and manufactured in Australia with Australian conditions in mind, tanks only, are ideal for the refuelling of mobile plant and equipment in the construction, mining, transport and ag sectors. Available with 100 litre, 200 litre, 450 litre and 600 litre, as well as 800 litre, 1000 litre and 1200 litre holding tanks capacity coming soon. The heavy-duty polyethylene tanks include forklift lift points and tie-down strap recesses. Italian-designed and manufactured self-priming vane pumps provide years of trouble-free operation at flow rates of up to 50 litres per minute. The pump's fixed-brush motors with permanent magnetic stators are covered by a 2-year warranty with a delivery kit including a 4-metre anti-static delivery hose, an anti-static suction hose, a plastic foot valve, a stainless steel and brass filter, and an automatic shut-off nozzle. Versions inclusive of an auto shut-off nozzle with a built-in meter are also available. The tank is lockable, preventing unauthorised diesel fuel access, and the auto shut-off nozzle sits securely in a holster when not in use. If the convenience and time effectiveness of in-the-field refuelling of your valuable plant and equipment is of interest to you, Alemlube diesel fuel pods are worth researching and potentially adding to your asset register.